Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see a protective cover that I'm going to use for my Amazfit GTR 47mm that I have bought from AliExpress. It's not like the usual covers that you are going to meet that despite the fact that they protect well the watch, they are not so good looking. So this protective cover, it is much better as a glance, let's say it like that, and it really protects your smartwatch. And with it, I received a protective cover of the screen of the smartwatch. Not that I don't already have one, as you can see here. Here you can see it. I do have a protective cover which has protected my smartwatch from hits and scratches. It's really very good idea to use one. It will protect it. So I'm going to have a link in the text below the video from where you can get it and yourself. As I told you, I got it from AliExpress, and let's continue now to the placement of the metallic ring on my Amazfit GTR.